Okay, got the head back from A1 Cylinder Head in Riverside, California. I'll put a link to their Google page in the description below. But two things I want to show you guys before you install the head on the car. This cam gear needs to be facing up. See that up mark right there? That needs to be facing up. So go ahead. This is a 12mm bolt. But whether you're working on a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, just make sure that this cam is the camshaft is correctly positioned before you put the timing belt on. And another thing you're going to need to do is, once you get the head installed, you're going to have to do a valve lash adjustment on this, valve adjustment on all the valves on the intake and the exhaust to make sure everything's set up correctly. I've heard stories of where guys will put on a head and they fail to put on, or they fail to do a valve adjustment, and then they bend the valve as soon as they try to fire up the engine. There's spark plug tube seals for the upper, and then there's spark plug tube seals for the lower, and I'll put the Honda part number for both of those. So if you go this deep into the head, it's a good idea to go ahead and replace the O-rings on the bottom, and then the seals on the top. Right there, you can see part of the O-ring. That's the lower one, and then the upper ones. Then the upper ones come and seal the valve cover. So I'll put both Honda part numbers in there. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what good job they did at A1 Cylinder Head, and two things you need to do when you're putting on the when you're putting back on your head.